.NET code. Today we are going to create a Flutter app using Visual Studio Code. You must have to watch Basics 2. If you didn't watch Basics 2, you can watch them in the description below. So let's get started. So click on File and then click on Open Folder. So click on Flutter. So the Android Studio project location, and then click on your and then select your app and then select folder. So if you watch Basics 2, you can do this. So first let's install Flutter. Go to extension and then click install Dart. So first go to Dart and then now we need to search Flutter. So make sure you download both Flutter and Dart. So if you have downloaded Dart only, you can code, but you cannot use a Flutter app. So let's download both of them. So now click on Open Folder and then Flutter app, and then click on Select Folder. So now go to lib and then click on main.dart. So this is the code that we used. So we have already code there. So this one void main run app my app. So that's how we can run our app. So let's click on run and then start debugging. And then if you have watched Basics 2, you can create a Flutter emulator like an AVD manager. So click on start Flutter emulator. So launching Flutter emulator. So it is waiting for the Flutter emulator to connect. So we can debug console. So debug console means what we have did with our app. So let's wait. So let's try again. It's failed. So let's try again. Run. Start debugging. So let's do it again. So it's launching. Let's wait. So Android emulator. So as we are using the emulator, it would be slow. It is not that fast if we use the emulator. So when you are testing with your real phone, that would be fast. So it would be slow to launch, but you can use fast. So it is launching is also slow, and then launching is also slow, and then click on anything is also slow. So we can use anything you want. So for example, you can use camera. So I'm going to show you later that. So I'm going to show you later. So let's wait. So you also can use, so you can flip your device into like this or this. So it's going to be be really slow. So let's try again. Let's retry. So let's try it again. Finally, our app has run. So let's wait more. So now it load. So can you see this debug? So that means we are completed with our app yet. So when we are completed with our app, this button will go. As we upload our app to App Store, so this will go. So let's try. 1, 2, 3. You have pushed the button this many times. So this my homepage title Flutter demo homepage. So I can use title or just like this, Flutter demo home page. Flutter demo home page. So I don't want to wait. So you have pushed the button this minute. So let's click on auto save, else I will forget to save. So now, so that's how we are going to run and use our app using in Visual Studio Code. So see you on part 4. Bye.